Motivation, changing one's outlook, and pursuing one's dreams are deeply interconnected. Internal motivation is driven by personal satisfaction or passion for the task. It comes within. External motivation is driven by external factors like rewards, recognition, or fear of punishment. For long-term sustainability, internal motivation tends to be more effective. Cultivate internal motivation, passion. Find what you are passionate about. This will fuel your motivation naturally. Purpose. Align your goals with a deeper purpose. This can be more compelling than just aiming for superficial achievements. Autonomy. Give yourself some freedom and control in how you pursue your goals. Change your outlook, your mindset. Adopt a growth mindset. Believe that abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and hard work. Visualize success. Regularly, visualize your success and the steps to achieve it. Positivity. Surround yourself with positive people and consume positive content. I know where you're going in life by the books you read and the people you associate with. Change your negative thoughts. Question and counteract negative beliefs or self-talk. This can be done through cognitive restructuring. And set yourself clear goals. SMART goals. Make sure your goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Break down your goals. Divide your goals into smaller tasks or milestones to make them more manageable. And establish routines, daily habits. Create habits that are aligned with your goal. And be consistent. Consistency is key. It might be more beneficial to take smaller, consistent steps than to take occasional large steps and leaps. Stay inspired. Continual learning. Always be curious and learn more about your area of interest. Including role models, identify people who have achieved what you want to and learn from their journey. And engage in inspirational activities such as reading books, listening to podcasts, attending seminars, and listening to Shawn Pigg. Overcome procrastination. Use the 2-minute rule. If something takes less than 2 minutes, do it now. Pomodoro technique. Work in focus intervals, typically 25 minutes, followed by short breaks to eliminate your procrastination. Be resilient. Embrace your failures. View your failures as a learning opportunity. Perseverance. Remain persistent and keep pushing forward. Even when there's setbacks, you just keep pushing forward. Even when you think you can't, you just keep doing it. When you're tired, go longer, go stronger, go harder. And don't be afraid to seek support. Accountability partners. Find someone who can keep you accountable for your goals. And join groups if you have to. Engage in communities with similar interests or goals. They're all over the internet. You have the internet in the palm of your hand. Take advantage of it. And the most important thing I can recommend is celebrate those small wins. Recognize and reward yourself for all the milestones that you have achieved, all the hard work that you accomplished. This not only keeps you motivated, but it also makes the journey a lot more enjoyable. And your goals are not going to always fall in line like you expected. Reevaluate your goals. Adjust your goals. As you evolve and you grow, your goals may change. Regularly reevaluate and adjust your goals as they're needed. By integrating these principles and strategies into your life, you'd be better equipped to cultivate the incredible motivation, change your outlook, and passionately follow your dreams. Remember that this is a conscious journey, and embracing this process is important as the end result.